Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video I am going to talk about how can you get free certificate from Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has invited applications from students, researchers and professionals for a free online certificate course on geoprocessing using Python. The course is part of the Indian Space Research Organization outreach program, which will be conducted through its center, the Indian Institute Remote Sensing. Upon successfully completing the course and clearing the examination, participants will also be given a certificate from ISRO. The course will be conducted online from 18 to 29 January 2021 and all that is required is good internet connectivity and a device. All course study material like lecture slides, video recorded lectures, open source software and a handout of demonstration and so on will be accessible to students through the e-class platform of IIRS. Now talking about what the ISRO free online certificate course on geoprocessing using Python will cover. The course aims at helping participants derive useful information and knowledge from geospatial data acquired through satellite imagery. Satellite image, when combined with the power of geographic information system, can play a pertinent role in supporting environmental management, disaster and global climate change, natural resources, wildlife, land cover and many other applications, says the notification. The following are the topics that will covered over a period of 11 days. Overview of GIS and different geospatial data types. Overview to Python programming using Introduction, Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Raster data processing, resampling and analysis. Vector data processing and analysis. Geospatial data visualization on the web. Familiarity to various open source geospatial data processing libraries. After completion of the course, participants will be able to write a program in Python to read, write and process different raster format, vector format, visualize geospatial data in form of maps, images and so on. Now talking about who can take the ISRO online certificate course on geoprocessing using Python. Although the course is free, the following participants may apply for the outreach program: final year undergraduate or postgraduate student, technical or scientific staff of central or state government, faculty or researcher at from university or institution. User receiving program under CEC, UGC or CIET networks can also participate. Application of participants have to be duly sponsored by university or institute and forward through coordinator from respective center. Those who wish to know more about the ISRO free online certificate course on geoprocessing using Python are advised to go through the course brochure for more information. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.